Title: Finding Dad in the Park. In a little town called Willowood, there was a happy family with a dad, a big brother named Tom, and a sister named Alice. They all lived together and had lots of fun. One summer day, something unexpected happened. Dad, who was very important to them, went on a work trip and said he'd be back soon. But he didn't come back when they thought he would. As years went by, Tom and Alice grew up. They made new friends and had new adventures, but they always missed their dad. They wondered where he could be. Then, one snowy winter day, while playing in the park, Alice saw someone who looked familiar. It was a grown-up with a kind face. Alice felt her heart beat really fast. She went closer. When they looked at each other, they couldn't believe their eyes. It was Dad. He found Alice in the park. "Is that really you, Dad?" asked Alice. "Dad? Is it really you?" Tom added, surprised. It was a special moment. The family was together again, and this story is all about how love and hope can bring a family back together.